Cyber attacks are becoming more frequent, complex, and automated, making it difficult for security teams to respond effectively using manual processes alone. To keep up with modern threats, organizations are adopting incident response automation, IRA, the use of automated tools, scripts, and AI-driven workflows to detect, analyze, contain, and remediate security incidents in real time. By automating repetitive and time-sensitive tasks, security teams can reduce response times, improve accuracy, and handle threats at scale. In this lesson, we will explore the importance of incident response automation, key technologies involved, common use cases, benefits, and best practices for successful implementation. Traditional manual incident response involves security analysts reviewing alerts, correlating logs, investigating threats, and responding to incidents step by step. While this method works for small-scale threats, it becomes overwhelming when dealing with large-scale cyber attacks, insider threats, or zero-day exploits. On average, organizations take over 200 days to detect a breach and another 75 days to contain it, leading to significant financial and reputational damage. The challenge is further amplified by alert fatigue, where security teams are overwhelmed by thousands of alerts, many of which are false positives. Incident response automation helps bridge this gap by handling time-sensitive tasks instantly, reducing manual workload, and allowing security teams to focus on more complex threats. Incident response automation leverages several advanced technologies to enhance detection and mitigation. Security orchestration, automation, and response SOAR platforms like Splunk Phantom, IBM Resilient, and Palo Alto XSOAR integrate with multiple security tools to automate incident triage, threat containment, and remediation workflows. Security information and event management (CM) solutions like Splunk, QRadar, and LogRhythm collect and analyze logs from various sources, using AI-driven analytics to identify suspicious behavior. Endpoint detection and response (EDR) tools like CrowdStrike Falcon and Microsoft Defender ATP use automation to detect malware, lateral movement, and suspicious file executions on endpoints. AI-driven automation can predict, detect, and analyze threats by learning from past attack patterns and continuously adapting to new cyber threats. Incident response automation is widely used across various cybersecurity domains to improve efficiency and reduce human error. Some of the most common applications include automated phishing response, malware detection and containment, ransomware response, threat intelligence integration, user account compromise detection, network intrusion response, and forensic evidence collection. By adopting automation, organizations can dramatically improve their cybersecurity posture, reducing response times, minimizing operational costs, and increasing the efficiency of Security Operations Center SOCs. Despite its advantages, incident response automation is not without challenges. Organizations must address issues such as false positives, integration complexity, attacker evasion tactics, and balancing automation with human oversight. To successfully integrate automation into cyber incident response, best practices include defining clear response playbooks, using AI-driven decision-making, gradually implementing automation, ensuring human oversight for high-risk actions, continuously testing workflows, integrating real-time threat intelligence, and training security teams on automation tools. In conclusion, incident response automation is a game changer in modern cybersecurity, allowing organizations to respond to threats faster, reduce human error, and scale security operations efficiently. By integrating SOAR platforms, CM solutions, EDR tools, and AI-driven automation, security teams can identify, contain, and remediate cyber attacks in real time. However, automation should be carefully implemented with human oversight to ensure optimal effectiveness. Organizations that successfully adopt incident response automation will gain a significant advantage in defending against evolving cyber threats. Stay tuned.